What is up, YouTube? We got a quick little review today of some OVO product. So the OVO, like a couple weeks ago, they did a monogram denim collection with some other items and stuff. And I've been waiting for a flannel for so damn long, a good one from OVO, and I finally got a chance to get one. They released these in 3 colorways. They had like this like red, black one. They had this like green, black one. And they had this brown one, which I really liked, and I'll show you what I got. So it's the like October Arched, so it's kind of, as you can see, it's kind of got October stitched in like in the front of the flannel. They got like a little bit of like burgundy, brown, like beige, a little orange too. Crazy that they were able to fit this all over this, and just amazing, super good quality, very soft, nice to see, you know. And they finally did a good one, because I think like last year they did some stupid one with some stupid flower on the black on the back of it. Looked kind of stupid, didn't really like it. But this one is actually made in India, actually. A little weird, I don't know why. Usually like I've seen China's and Canada, but never seen India before. That's something new. I definitely highly recommend this. I think it's still in stock on the OVO site, at least here in Canada. Nice colorway, and that's pretty much it. It was just these colors kind of in here. All this same kind of pattern with the white buttons and that stitching in white in October. That's pretty much it. We're gonna have an on body as well to show you how it looks. The fabrics I'll actually show you before we're done here. The fabrics are 100% cotton, so it's a reverse garment, and they recommend hang to dry. Yeah, it's just 100% cotton, that's it, very simple. This did retail at $138, so not too bad for a flannel from OVO, and I definitely recommend it if you guys would go for it. And in terms of sizing, with OVO, I always recommend going up a size. You know, I think I'm a true large, like say like an essential stuff, like Fear of God, I'm a large, and like other stuff, but this, I go extra large, and it's a great fit. Exactly what I'm looking for. And yeah, I really like this flannel. Super good. We'll have an on body on right about now. And yeah, hopefully you guys enjoyed the review. If you made it this far, thank you for watching. If you consider leaving a like, commenting, subscribing, turn that post notification bell as well. Keep us on speed dial. We post almost every single day. If you want to see more content like this, let me know. Has OVO been good this October? Has it lived up to it? I don't think so as of right now. It hasn't been as good as I thought, but we got some videos about that coming up now. And hope you like this one. Would you cop? Rate my pickups? Do all that stuff. So anyways, that's a wrap for the OVO October Arched Flannel Shirt review. Take it easy.